Stop struggling with missed opportunities. If you're tired of missing important calls on your Google Voice number, you're in the right place. I'm Anna from For Real, and today I'm going to show you how to get email alerts for missed calls in Google Voice in just a few minutes, so you never miss out again. If you use Google Voice, especially for business or freelancing, you know that sinking feeling. You finally open the app only to see you missed a call from a new client or an important contact hours ago. It can feel unprofessional and lead to lost business. Who has time to constantly check an app all day? Well, there's a super simple fix for this built right into the app. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to automatically send a notification to your email inbox the moment you miss a call. It's a set it and forget it solution that will give you total peace of mind. Let's get started. Okay, step 1 is the easiest one. Find and open the Google Voice app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. It's the green icon with the phone and chat bubble design. If you can't find it, just swipe down and search for Voice. Once you open it, you'll land on your main screen, which usually shows your recent calls or messages. Quick trivia for you. Did you know Google Voice started as a service called Grand Central? Google acquired it way back in 2007. The whole idea was to give you one phone number for life that could ring all of your other phones simultaneously. Pretty revolutionary for its time. And it's still incredibly useful today. All right, trivia over, back to the settings. Now for step 2. Look for the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up the main navigation menu, where you can access things like your archived messages, spam folder, and most importantly for us, the settings. In this menu, near the bottom, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. This is your control center for all of your Google Voice settings. Tap on Settings to open up all the customization options for your account. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, do me a favor and tap the like button below. It's a small click for you, but it makes a huge difference for the channel and helps others find this solution. Thanks! Okay, on to the final step. All right, this is the most important step. On the settings screen, scroll down until you see a section titled Calls. It's usually below the Messages section. Inside this Calls section, you're looking for an option that says, Get email alerts for missed calls. To the right of it, you'll see a toggle switch that is likely turned off. All you have to do is tap that toggle to turn it on. It will slide over and turn blue, confirming it's active. And that's it. From now on, whenever you miss a call to your Google Voice number, an email will be sent directly to the Gmail account associated with your Google Voice. Now for a couple of pro tips to make this even better. First, after you enable this, have a friend call you and let it go to voicemail. Then check your email. The first alert might go to your promotions or spam folder. Find it and mark it as not spam to make sure you always see them in your primary inbox. Second, right above the missed call alert option, you'll see one for forward messages to email. If you want your voicemails and text messages in your inbox too, you can turn that on as well. It's a great way to have a complete record of all your communication right in your email. And there you have it. In just 4 simple steps, you now know exactly how to set up email alerts for missed calls in Google Voice. No more checking the app constantly. No more worrying about missed opportunities. You've just created a reliable system to keep you in the loop and on top of your important calls. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech tips to make your life easier, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Google Voice feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.